To play Blue's Clues, we're gonna find a paw print. And that's our first clue that we put in our, because they're Blue's Clues. We're gonna find another paw print. That's our second clue. We put it in our notebook because they're whose clues? Blue's Clues. We're gonna find the last paw print. That's our third clue. You put it in our notebook because they're whose clues? Blue's Clues. You know what to do? Sit in our thinking chair and think. Think. Because when we use our minds to take a step at a time, we can do anything that we want to do. Yeah. Hi, everybody. I'm Pavlov the dog. And I'd like to say thank you, Chemistry Croc, for suggesting this video for me. I'm really doggone happy about this. Get it? Doggone? So I'd like to say, Chemistry Croc suggested a Baby Einstein parody of Blue's Clues called, I think it's called, Dot Spots. Yeah. And I play, Steve, Joe, and Josh, depending on which version of me it is. And Dot, the Dalmatian, is blue, all that stuff. You see, this version will be the Steve. The Brevet version will be Joe, and me with the brown ears. Well, you mean Legend and Lore brown ears. That will be Josh. And, let me see. I mean, if somebody has, like, Dot, or if Daniel Chickelson has Dot, maybe in the future we'll make some Dot Spots episodes. And I bet you're all gonna really love it. Yeah. And here's my impression, and here's my appreciation for you. That's what you get, Chemistry Croc, for suggesting a great video for me. So I like to say, I'm really happy that I got to do what you suggested me to do. And so I will probably appear in many other videos. Hopefully we'll get Dot Spots to come out one day. The first episode. So I'm gonna say, see you later.